Hi and welcome back to another video. I am Nucollector. Thank you for joining me for another custom build. So this is for another it's for another fellow collector, local. He wants to do this custom. But I guess I just seen he did a wheel swap on this 180 SX. And he wants to reuse these wheels on this one. Some nice deep dish ones, man. Look at this. Nice. So I'm gonna unscrew this, drill this, put the wheels on this one, and then paint this. I forget what color he said. I think whatever I want, I believe. Ooh, I should find out. But yep, I'm gonna do another. This is the same one, the 5-pack R32. So I get to do another one. Let's go. Update: we got the 32 5-pack. Made the axles, glued it on, and glued the wheels on. So we got it rolling. Put it back. Check the fit. Already tapped it. Let's see. There it is. Okay. I did scrape down. What is this? Tell me, you guys, what is that? Is that an exhaust or vent? But I have to scrape it down just a little bit because it was scraping. Alright. Wheels are done. Going to do paint. Still gotta find out what color paint he wanted. I forgot what he said, so let me go text him. Yep, so I'm going to the stripper. Let's go. Alright, little update on the 32 5-packer. Stripped the paint, did really light sanding, just finished polishing up with the flits and the Dremel. So yeah, I don't have to have it mirror shine this time. I'm gonna do the owner of the vehicle wants a candy apple blue, so I gotta figure that out. But candy apple means gold base underneath, yeah, so it's gonna be a gold base with a candy blue over it. So I gotta figure that out. I do have gold, I believe, so shouldn't be too bad. But yeah, I want to see how it comes out. When he told me that, I was like, yes, that's gonna be a sick one, hopefully. So yep, to the booth, let's go. So got the gold as a base, and then gonna try a pearl, a candy blue. Over it. Let's try it. The paint is running right now, as you can see. So sucks, but gotta do it. try again.
I know, but thank you though.
Yeah, you're welcome. All right, everyone, done with the 32. I keep on forgetting what this is. I believe it's a 32 5-pack, right? Yeah, the 32 5-pack Skyline. So clear coated, custom paint. It was the Createx Candy 2.0. It was, I think it was like a the carbine blue, some yellow, tequila yellow, some orange, and some green, and it made this color, which is pretty much almost like their turquoise. But yeah, it's for a fellow collector in the Facebook group, local. He said, yeah, no need any decals, so I just did a little bit of details underneath. Got my signature, intercooler, headlight. This one got the headlight, but it's got that vent that goes back into the engine for the turbos. I'm not sure, but yeah, I know it's a vent that goes back into the engine. Got the stock wheels, so not stock, but I got these wheels. I think he did a custom on that, and he did a wheel swap on this, and he put these wheels on there. So I took those wheels off, he said, and customized his 32 5-pack, which is one of the better 32 castings I like with all this body kits on it. But it's pretty sick. Let me see if I can get a little flash on there. Hold on.